All right, today the Hernandez team is at Hope of the Valley here in North Hollywood. They are doing a Halloween event and we came to volunteer, cook some hamburgers, some hot dogs, and just love on everybody today.
So, what I'm most looking forward today is, just being able to unplug, be present, give back to the community, grill some burgers, and just kind of connect with people. Kind of feeds the soul, and it just, it's just a good way to humanize yourself and just get back in touch with everybody. So that's what really feeds my soul, and that's what I'm most looking forward to today.
We've got a potato salad, we've got some rice, we've got a pasta salad coming in today, hot dogs, hamburgers, and a whole lot of love.
I love to volunteer because, well, especially at Hope of the Valley, because they are so welcoming and they love having us here and we love being here. And each time we're here, it's like a big family. And we love Halloween.
I just love helping people less fortunate than ourselves and trying to spread some love and put a smile on some people's faces.
I think a lot of people think that you need to have money or resources to give back to people, but really all you need is time. And I have an abundance of time. I'm happy, I'm healthy, and if I can give back any way possible, I absolutely will. So, just being here, being present, helping out. That's what I love about it.
So, I've been so fortunate in my life in real estate, and this volunteering has always given me an opportunity to give back to the community and just share back all the things that have been given to me. It's my way of giving back to the community and to teach my kids and team members to kind of know that as we receive, we also give. And that's probably been the big thing that I can say here, and then being aligned with Hope of the Valley and this little center that they have here, and just getting a chance to love on people and give them some hope, a warm meal, and just some good vibes.
Yeah.
All right, so we are wrapping up over here at Hope of the Valley in North Hollywood. A special thank you to everybody that came out and participated, and a special thank you to all the people that staff here, because they go above and beyond for all the people that are housed here, and just it was an amazing opportunity. And thanks to everybody that came out today as well.